He had zero growth. And a lot of you are like, what the heck are those indexes? Exactly. Hey, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. And today we're going to be talking about Nationwide New Heights Growth Annuity. The reason why? Got a lot of people in it. They're calling me, asking me why it's not making them any money. Well, unfortunately, one of my clients actually reached out to me just a couple weeks ago, and he was like, hey, someone sold me this Nationwide New Heights annuity. He's promised all this growth, and he showed me all these illustrations, and it was going to make all this money, and it's made me zero, zip, nada. And I'm just like, all right, well, let me look at the indexes that you're in. And so I actually wrote these down. He's in the Nationwide New Heights, put $100,000 in, and this is the New Heights 12, by the way. And he put, equal distribution, and he basically spread it out across a few indexes. It was the Macro Compass Strategy A, the JP Morgan Mosaic 2 Strategy A, and then the NYSE Zebra Edge 2 Strategy A. He had zero growth. And a lot of you are like, what the heck are those indexes? Exactly. I don't know what they are either. I like S&P 500. I like Russell 2000, NASDAQ, right? We follow those. We know exactly what those have been doing. A lot of these fancy indexes they come out with don't make any money. They'll back test them and they'll show, hey, according to this back test for the last 10, 15 years, it does great. And of course, it's got to have a participation rate of at least 250%, which of course they'll change next year. And they do. And so unfortunately for this guy, the problem is it's a 3-year index, okay? He might have had growth for like the first 2 years, and it was a great run up. Then all of a sudden the second year, bam, a correction. Now all of a sudden he lost all of those 2 years earnings. He didn't lose any money, right? These index annuities protect you against losses. The problem was he put it in a 3-year strategy, not a 1-year. If he would have put it in a 1-year strategy, he would have made money the first year, the second year, and that would have been credited to his account. He would have had compounding growth. But then the third year, if it had a loss, he wouldn't have lost any money, but he wouldn't have made any money. And at least he would have had the 2 crediting periods prior to the third. Bottom line, don't do a 3-year or a 5-year. Absolutely make sure you stick with the 1-year point to point whenever you do an index annuity, okay? That's just smart, sound financial planning. The more compounding periods you have, the more wealth you grow, okay? So another note is he also wanted income. This is not an income annuity. And so we're looking at another strategy where we can take some of those funds and put it into an income annuity, something that will give him a guaranteed roll-up rate regardless of what the index does. So if he puts it in an index that just does terrible again, at least his roll-up rate's going to earn him 9% every single year for 10 years. Would you take 9% guaranteed versus a hypothetical? I would, especially if I'm looking for income. Now, if you're looking for just straight growth, you're like, hey, John, I don't need income. I'm good. I just want some growth and want some market protection. Perfect. Here's what we're going to do. We're looking at a fixed index annuity. We're not going to go with Nationwide. Nationwide's got some good products, but I like their peak products for income, okay? If you're looking for some growth, we might look at some Allianz products, some F&G, maybe Global Atlantic. In fact, what I like about Global Atlantic is they put in their contracts that, hey, if we lower our participation rates to a certain level, then you're allowed to get out of your annuity contract free and clear. No withdrawal charges, no surrender charges, no MVA, nothing. Now, there's another product, Mass Mutual. They offer a 7-year lock on the S&P 500. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Not only do they give you a lock saying, hey, we're not going to lower this cap below this rate during the 7 years, no matter what. And it's the S&P 500, which we all understand. It's been making good money. Now, that's something I can stand behind. Put money in that. I know if the S&P does well, you're going to do well. It's that simple. There's just a lot of different strategies out there. And unfortunately, at least what I'm seeing, clients that come to me and they purchase these annuities, they're often working with advisors that they just don't know what they're doing. Maybe they mean well, but a lot of times they don't know what they're doing. They're lazy, or they just don't specialize it, and they don't tell them they don't specialize it, but they want the commission, so they'll sell it to them anyways. Especially with a lot of these growth products that promise these huge returns, these agents are earning huge commissions. Okay, don't let an agent sell you into something that looks too good to be true, because it is. Every single time, it's too good to be true. I am getting this call all the time about this particular product, and I want to make a video about it so that if you're in it and you want to get out of it, let's talk, okay? Book a call with me. There is a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar, and we'll talk about all annuities. If you're looking for growth, great. If you're looking for income, we'll look at those. If you're looking for MYGA, multi-year guaranteed annuities, more like CDs, absolutely we'll take a look at those. Bottom line, I'm going to show you every single product that's on the market, okay, and let you choose. I'm here to consult, to provide advice, and to show you exactly which ones are the best. This is what I do every day. And while I'm not thinking about it, I'm dreaming about it, okay? Hopefully this video has made sense. Hopefully it's given you some value. And if it has, I hope you like, hope you subscribe, hope you share, hope you comment, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.